Many robotic vacuum cleaners can only clean smooth floors, which is inconvenient to some of our customers, perhaps like you. We have listened and developed a new model, D68, which not only includes other cleaners' features, but is capable of cleaning thick pile carpets, providing much better cleaning efficiency to consumers. Also, D68 is good at cleaning small areas. When he moves into a small area, he will automatically program his cleaning path to a zigzag pattern, covering all the surfaces without repetition. Just like other Ecovacs D-Bots, D68 is also a robotic vacuum cleaner with eyes and a brain. His sensitive eyes can see various kinds of dirt on the floor, even dust that is hard for the human eye to see. He processes over 60 thoughts per second, adjusting cleaning modes towards different situations, leaving a clean home for you every day. He can clean almost all kinds of floors, whether it be hardwood, linoleum, low-pile carpets, or thick-pile carpets. He can clean in various home environments, such as under beds, wall edges, under armoire, or other small areas. He can also clean in different rooms. Because of his powerful driving wheels, he can walk over battens, mats, thick-piled carpets, etc., providing best cleaning efficiency. Just schedule a time for him. He will leave the charging dock at the set time every day. You don't need to worry that he will hurt your furniture, because it will slow down in advance when he senses your furniture. You also needn't worry about falling downstairs, as his anti-drop sensors will tell him to turn around. After finishing cleaning, he will return to the charging dock by himself. Through his 2 side brushes, an agitator brush and a vacuum motor, he collects various kinds of debris and dust into his dust box when he roams your room. And the antibacterial filter in the dust box will eliminate any bacteria, giving out fresh air to your families. If he meets unexpected situations, he will give an audio signal to let you know what is happening to him. Considering your daily maintenance, we have specially designed D68 to take off the side brush for washing by hands. With only a coin, you can disassemble the agitator brush. When D68 is working, his noise output is less than 60 decibels, which will not interfere with your pets or family conversations. Choose D68 and enjoy a peaceful, clean home.